Creating slides can sometimes feel like folding an endless pile of laundry. Just when you think you're done, there are more! Haha! But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate VBA code that will automate your PowerPoint slide creation. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide to help you generate custom slides effortlessly on the Mac version of PowerPoint. First, let's talk about why you should even consider automating slide creation. Well, it can save you a lot of time, especially when you're creating repetitive slides. Automating also helps maintain consistency across multiple presentations, and it lets you easily personalize content. Not a bad combination, right? Now, let's look at the key steps to automate your slides using VBA and ChatGPT. There are 4 main steps: setting up the environment, writing the VBA code, running the code, and reviewing the output. We'll go through these one by one to make sure everything is clear. To start, you need to set up your environment by opening PowerPoint and accessing the VBA editor. In the Mac version, you can do this by going to the Tools menu, selecting Macro, and choosing Visual Basic Editor. Once you're there, insert a new module. This will be your workspace for writing all the magic scripts. Next, we'll be writing the VBA code. At this stage, we'll create a new PowerPoint instance, add a presentation, and insert slides with text and shapes. This is where the automation begins to take shape. Once you've written your code, it's time to run it. You can press Command-Option-R on your keyboard, or click the Run Macro button, and the slides will be generated automatically. It's like pressing a button and watching a machine do all the work for you. How cool is that? Here's something even cooler, using ChatGPT to generate this VBA code for you. By providing a clear prompt, you can easily generate a basic or even detailed script. A good prompt would describe the task and outline specific details about the slides you want to create. You can specify the slide types, text content, shapes, and much more. For example, you could use a prompt like this: generate a VBA script to create a PowerPoint presentation with 2 slides. The first slide should be a title slide, and the second slide should be a content slide with some text. This prompt is concise, yet specific enough to get the desired results from ChatGPT. If you have more specific requirements, like adding certain font sizes, colors, or even images, you can include those details in the prompt to customize the output exactly how you need it. The more details you provide, the more tailored the generated script will be to fit your needs. Now, here's an example of a VBA script that you could get using ChatGPT. This script creates a PowerPoint presentation with a title slide and a content slide. It shows how to add text to placeholders, and you can expand it to include other elements like shapes or images. In the next part, let's watch a quick video demonstration to see all the steps in action. This demonstration uses the Mac version of PowerPoint. First, we open PowerPoint and go to the Tools menu, select Macro and choose Visual Basic Editor to access the VBA editor. Once there, we insert a new module and write the script to create a new PowerPoint instance, add a presentation, and insert slides with specific content. Finally, we run the code by pressing Command-Option-R or by clicking the Run Macro button, and the slides are generated automatically, just as we described. Watch closely and you can follow along and try these steps on your own. To wrap up, using ChatGPT to generate VBA code for automating PowerPoint slides helps you save time, especially with repetitive tasks. You can also customize and expand the script based on your needs to make sure it fits your presentation goals. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Until next time.